Welcome to the new episode of Polytunnel Diaries, the weekly diary of our polytunnel, of how it's progressing and how it's getting on. As a lot of you know, we have revamped in this polytunnel. It was an absolute mess last year, and I thought it's about time we use it to its full potential. It gets warm in here, it gets sunny, it's absolutely gorgeous, and I don't use it to its full potential. I just grow a few tomatoes in pots, and yeah, we have good crop of tomatoes, but I want to start growing all year round in here and make full use of how well it's getting on. And I want to grow different vegetables in here, like radish, lettuces, spring onions, everything really, anything and everything. And altogether we've got 15 new beds in here, so we've got a lot of extra space for growing. So let's have a look at how things are getting on, and it's exciting, it's coming along. So we have started filling all the beds up with compost now. So next weekend we are going to start sowing in these. I'm excited for this. We're going to sow radish, beetroot, lettuce, spring onions in here next week, and we'll see what else we can sow in here as well. And things are coming up. We've got some spare strawberries left over, what I need to use. But yeah, we're not filling them right up to the top because there's no need. There's no need to fill them right up to the top. The only one that I'm going to fill up to the top will be the one that have carrots in, so that it's got deep roots and hopefully some nice long carrots. But yeah, that's deep enough for our tomato plants and everything else like that. It should be pretty good. Obviously it'll sink down quite a bit when it's watered and once it's all settled in, but we'll top them up again next year with more compost, and obviously it'll need fresh nutrients in it year on year. So yeah, the beds are going to be amazing. I'm excited for this year so much. I think I'm going to need a few extra days off a week just to keep on top of this polytunnel. But yeah, let's have a look inside what we've been doing in our mini greenhouses. We've got as potatoes chitting, they're chitting away. They'll be planted on Good Friday. We've got as lavender, what we planted the other day to see if we could get some cuttings from, and hopefully from that we've got some spring sweet peas in there. I can't really see because oh, wait up, look at this everyone. The sweet peas are growing in the root trainers, what we got from Oakland. Absolutely amazed. I love my sweet peas. Yes, fantastic. So happy they're starting to germinate. This is going to be amazing. And the lavender's growing well, absolutely amazing. It smells gorgeous in there. Yeah. But yeah, let's get that cover back on, keep things warmed up. I'm so happy those sweet peas are germinating. Absolutely amazing. Obviously being in this mini greenhouse, it's inside a polytunnel, and inside there, and inside a clutch, so it keeps them extra warm and toasty. Then down here we've got onions, what we planted. Some of them are starting to sprout, as you can see. So that's to give them a head start before planting them out at end of March time, and just get some roots and get some shoots on them and get them going. So as you can see, I get excited over everything, over every little thing that's germinated. I can't believe they're starting to germinate, those sweet peas. We're going to be starting some more sweet peas off next week. We've got a load more seeds, so yeah, it's going to be a busy weekend next weekend down at the plot. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with our polytunnel episodes. As I say, it's going to be changing every single week in here at the moment. It's going to be a busy week. We're planting in the beds next week as well, so next week hopefully we can show you that down at the plot as well. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.